Hey guys, Big Alver Dude 707 here again. This is going to be another system test, this time with a European sounder, see if it will be compatible with this panel. And the Simplex 425120 like in the last system test, but this time I got the E2S A100 fire alarm sounder. So I'm going to pull it and see what happens. There's trouble, so here we go. It's not that very loud. That's weird. I'll do signal silence. Signal silence, buzzer silence. Reset the pull station. Yeah, hang on a second. That was weird. I don't know what happened there. But it's still in trouble. So let's do a system reset. Buzzer silence. That alarm is not that very loud, surprisingly. But the thing is doing pulse, like 60 beats per minute. I want to do another system test again. That's weird. Now let's do a reset. Buzzer silence. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.